Join the revolution and become part of the Web3 community with P2P Cash. This cutting-edge technology allows you to earn passive MOOLA tokens with little to no effort, just by selling your unused SMS messages back into our network. Utilizing a combination of advanced SMS routing and blockchain smart contract technologies, P2P Cash is changing the game, helping you earn passive income in a way that was never possible before. But that's not all. With P2P Cash, we're bringing normies into the Web3 with zero risk. No need to purchase tokens or NFTs to experience the full potential of the Web3 technology. And for those who help us empower our decentralized SMS gateway by installing the app, we are rewarding you with an NFT whitelist for the Degen Forest and a massive airdrop of 5 million MOOLA tokens to be distributed among everyone who mints the NFT. All you need is an Android smartphone, 10 minutes of your time to become part of a rapidly growing network of mobile users who are earning MOOLA tokens with our technology. So, what are you waiting for? Take advantage of this opportunity and start earning passive MOOLA tokens today while we do all the work for you. The download link is on my bio. As a true crypto degen, you know the power of blockchain and the potential of Web3. So join us and make your mark in this exciting new world. It's your boy, Degen Ape. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, gains are nothing. Freedom is everything.